Yes,
It's recording. Okay, that's right. Hey everyone, welcome to Azul's. So today I'm going to just talk to you about making StarSan. So this is the disinfectant we use, and we use it to sanitize everything after we finish the boil. We're on the cold side of the brewing process, and everything has to be sanitized. And so basically what you do is you're going to take 1 ounce of StarSan and 5 gallons of water. And we put the water in first and then add the StarSan because it has a tendency to get sudsy. And so it just gets a little annoying with a lot of suds. And if your recipe or whatever you're using other than StarSan, just follow the directions on the label. Basically what I'm going to do is I just take off the cap. There's a little measuring cup here. I'm just going to squeeze, and as I squeeze, it fills in to this measuring cup, and I'm going to measure out 1 ounce. And then I'm just going to pour it in. Let's see, we're almost there. Okay. And then I'm just going to pour it in. So we can get all of it. All right. And then I'm just going to mix it up. Just do a light mixing. You know, it's pretty much diffuses throughout. I can even leave this in here. That'll be sanitized. The other thing we do is we take some of this and we put it into a spray bottle, and we use it for whenever we have to spray anything, if we're opening up a ferment or anything else like that. So again, after the boil, everything must be sanitized. You do not want to contaminate your brew. And so we use StarSan. It's very easy to use, and that's it.